Welcome. In this video, we will show you the main construction features and how to use the special measuring gauge, Metrology MAS 1423421. The application requirements are capable of measuring the average inner diameter from 54.950 mm to 54.971 mm at heights of 8, 12.5, and 17 mm, relative to the reference face of the part. Simultaneous measurement of the three diameters. Study of the R and R of the gauge. Robust construction for fast inspection of 100% of the produced parts. Design concept. The gauge was designed with a special air gauge, composed of 3 independent circuits. Each of the circuits has 3 measuring jets positioned at the heights of interest, allowing direct measurement of the mean diameters without the need of part rotation. VND steel construction and hard chrome surface application for high wear resistance under continuous use condition. Calibration master rings constructed of VND steel with double tempering and sub-zero heat treatment. Calibration. For the application, 2 Metrology M22P measurement columns were used, configured for simultaneous measurement of 2 diameters each. The calibration and referencing process in this application must be done in 3 steps, 1 for each inspected diameter. For the first diameter, the cal key is pressed and then the measuring channel is confirmed, channel A. The minimum master ring is inserted into the gauge and confirmed. The maximum master ring is then inserted into the gauge and confirmed. Then the 0 key is pressed for initial diameter referencing. For the second diameter, the cal key is pressed twice and then the measuring channel, channel B, is confirmed. The minimum master ring is inserted into the device and confirmed. The maximum master ring is then inserted into the device and confirmed. Then the 0 key is pressed twice for initial diameter referencing. For the third diameter, in the second column the cal key is pressed and then the measuring channel is confirmed, channel A. The minimum master ring is inserted into the device and confirmed. The maximum master ring is then inserted into the device and confirmed. Finally, the 0 key is pressed for initial diameter referencing. Measurement. After initial calibration and referencing of the 3 measurement channels, the measurement process is simple. The operator must insert the part into the air gauge until it rests on the reference face. The 2 measurement columns indicate the 3 mean diameters, in addition to representation in the LED bar graph. The color indication of the violation of the tolerance limits allows quick segregation of the rejected parts. More information about the product line is available at www.metrolog.net.